Garlic butter corn on the cob, summer's best side. Are you ready for the taste of summer? Get your grills fired up and your taste buds tingling, because today we're talking about an absolute classic, garlic butter grilled corn on the cob. This dish is so simple, yet so incredibly flavorful, that you'll find yourself making it all grilling season long. The sweetness of simplicity. The beauty of this recipe lies in its straightforwardness. With just a handful of ingredients and minimal fuss, you can create a side dish that's guaranteed to be the star of your barbecue spread. Here's what you'll need. Corn on the cob, for 6 ears. Depending on how hungry your crowd is, look for fresh, plump ears with bright green husks. Unsalted butter, cup. Soften. You want softened butter so it's easy to combine with the other flavors. Garlic, 3-4 cloves, minced. Garlic lovers, feel free to add more. Fresh herbs, optional. Chopped parsley, chives, or basil are lovely additions. Salt and black pepper, to taste. Flavorful and fuss-free. Let's dive into the simple joy of making this dish. Prep the corn. Peel back the husks and remove the silk from the corn. Give the cobs a quick rinse and pat dry. Garlic butter magic. In a small bowl, combine the softened butter, minced garlic, any herbs you're using, and a pinch of salt and pepper. Mix until everything's well combined. Slather it on. Spread the garlic butter generously over each ear of corn. You can do this with a butter knife, a pastry brush, or even your fingers. Wrap it up. Optional. You can grill the corn directly as is, or for extra protection from burning, wrap each ear in aluminum foil. Grill time. Preheat your grill to medium-high heat. Place the corn directly on the grill grates, or in their foil packets. Grill for about 15-20 minutes, turning occasionally, until the corn is tender and has some char marks. The grand finale. Carefully unwrap the corn, if using foil, and serve hot with any remaining garlic butter. Sprinkle with extra herbs, Parmesan cheese, or a touch of chili powder for a kick. Tips for grilled corn perfection. Soaking the corn. Some people swear by soaking corn in water before grilling, but I find it unnecessary. If your corn is fresh, it's naturally juicy. Grill marks. Those slightly charred bits add amazing flavor. Be sure to let the corn sit undisturbed for a few minutes per side to get those beautiful grill marks. Don't overcook. Corn can go from tender to tough quickly. Test a kernel to make sure it's cooked through before removing from the grill. Flavor variations. Get creative. Add a sprinkle of smoked paprika, chipotle powder, or lime zest to your garlic butter for a flavor twist. The endless possibilities of corn. Think beyond just a side dish. Leftover grilled corn kernels are fantastic in salads, salsas, fritters, and so much more. It's a truly versatile summer ingredient. Honestly, garlic butter grilled corn on the cob is the epitome of summer eating. It's sweet, savory, a little messy, and utterly satisfying. So next time you're looking for a simple yet impressive dish that will disappear in minutes, fire up that grill and let the magic of corn season begin. It's a guaranteed crowd pleaser, and a proven way to inject some flavor-filled fun into your next gathering. If you love tips and tricks for creating easy and outrageously delicious food experiences, make sure to subscribe to our channel.